It's homemade apple pie. I'm serious. Why are you laughing at me?
Because it's peanut butter, not apple pie.
No, it's apple pie. It is what I say it is.
Okay.
It's so good.
I'm glad you're enjoying it.
I'm gonna have to go smack my granny. She gave me this recipe. It's so good. Oh, I forgot the cinnamon. Dang it. I knew it was missing something. Want one?
No,
Why not?
because I just ate grapes.
You can't have apple pie?
No, it's not apple pie.
Yes, it is.